What is going on, guys? Double R Q50 here, back again today with another video, and today we got some new aesthetic features to add on to this car. As you saw in my recent video, we actually just did the black tint amber delete. Go ahead and check this video out. I got a whole entire installation video of how to actually go through and install this gloss black amber delete. I believe they also have a smoked feature as well, but anyways, we're not here to talk about that. We're actually here to talk about this. So as you guys see here, we actually have our this rear tail light backup light. It really does obscure the whole entire red big tail light look. It really just distorts from this whole entire tail light. I wish it was more flush, and actually they gave us that option. So if you actually go down in the link below, I'll have a link to Premium Auto Stylings, which actually provided me with this rear tail light tint. All it is two little vinyl circles that we're gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna stick onto the back of this car, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead, get the heat gun ready, and get these two vinyls on. Now, as you guys see here, this is kind of all the equipment that we're actually going to be needing. This is the box I got it in, so we don't need that. So as you guys see here, this is all the equipment that we're actually going to be needing today to install this vinyl tint. It's going to be this dual drill master heat gun. Now, you don't need a heat gun. You could go ahead and use a hair dryer or anything that really puts out that amount of heat, but really this is going to be your best option, and it's going to be the fastest working one. Also, obviously, you're going to need your vinyl tints, and then to clean off your surface before you do anything, you're going to need some soapy water to strip any of that grease, and a microfiber towel so you don't scratch your surface. All right, so we're back here with the rear tail light, and the first thing we're actually going to do is prep the surface. And how we're going to do that is we're going to get a bottle of soapy water and also our microfiber towel to wipe down the surface. So go ahead and just spray it. Make sure you get all dirt or anything that might contaminate whatever will make the vinyl stick. Go ahead and remove your vinyl and just try and place it on there as neatly as possible. And it looks like we got it on there perfectly. Now, you could go ahead and get yourself a credit card. Myself, I got actually a pro felt squeegee and then a hard surface squeegee to really get those air pockets out. So you're gonna wanna use the pro felt squeegee to really flatten it. You don't wanna scratch anything. And then to really get those air pockets out, go ahead and use the squeegee to go ahead and just rub up from middle all the way to the edge. Yep, that's looking great. So we're gonna go ahead and get our heat gun to make sure this sticks. So remember, keep it about 1.5 to 2 inches away. You don't really wanna burn anything or your paint or even the vinyl tint itself. You just kinda wanna shrink it and let it stick to the surface. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. And that's honestly kind of all we need. Go ahead and kind of get everything out as you go. Besides that, I think this is on here. As you guys see, there is a major difference between these two tail lights. Honestly, to me, the white rear backup light is really making it look like it's just missing a piece. I mean, this just looks like a full tail light like an Audi, BMW, or Mercedes would have. And if you notice on the 2018s, they don't have these white dots on the back of their tail lights. They're actually full tail lights. So that's something that it's nice to finally get rid of. And as you see, it does make a big difference between the two. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply this last one. As you guys see, these tail lights are looking full, they're looking complete, they're looking up to date, modern, and I'm really happy with how this whole entire thing came out. Now guys, if you want to see me do more accessory videos, just let me know, because there definitely is more things I want to do to this car. Just realize I want to keep it clean, okay? This is going to be a nice, mean, quick monster of a car. So I really want to just try and keep it subtle before it gets all crazy. But guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, because we are on a journey to making this car the 3.7 Red Sport with over 400 horsepower. But I appreciate you guys for watching so much. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm Double R, this is my Q50, and I'm out.